Good morning everyone. Today is a special day as we are going to present a special assembly of class 6B. Christmas. There is no other holiday quite like it. Christmas is a time for families to unite and be grateful for all that they have. The day known as Christmas Day is celebrated on the 25th day of December. It is one of the most important days of the year for Christians along with Easter. The season of preparing for Christmas is called Advent and begins on Sunday about 4 weeks before Christmas. The Christmas season ends on 6th January on 12th day of Christmas. It is celebrated all over the world as a religious holiday or as a time of celebration by Christians and non-Christians alike. Christians celebrate Christmas Day with the birth anniversary of Jesus, a spiritual leader whose teachings form the basis of their religion. The traditions are different from country to country, but they always really get together, including feasts, giving gifts or cards, enjoying church or public festivities such as singing carols and songs, waiting for Santa Claus to arrive. In most homes, when Christmas is celebrated, people set up Christmas trees in the house. The Christmas tree is decorated with lights, sparkly tinsels, shiny colored balls, and other ornaments. A tree of leaves of pines is often put on the front door of house as a sign of welcome. So let's begin our day with a beautiful thought presented by my dear friend.
Today's thought of the day is work hard and become a leader, be lazy and become a slave. कड़ी मेहनत करने से हम नेता बनते हैं, आलस करने से हम दास बन जाते हैं. Thank you.
Let's now remember and thank Almighty for His grace.
स्तुति आराधना ऊपर जाती है, आशीष लेकर नीचे आती है. स्तुति आराधना ऊपर जाती है, आशीष लेकर नीचे आती है. प्रभु हमारा कितना महान, देखो हमसे करता है प्यार. प्रभु हमारा कितना महान, देखो हमसे करता है प्यार. हालेलू हालेलूया, हालेलू हालेलूया. स्तुति आराधना ऊपर जाती है, आशीष लेकर नीचे आती है. स्तुति आराधना ऊपर जाती है, आशीष लेकर नीचे आती है. प्रभु हमारा कितना महान, देखो हमसे करता है प्यार. प्रभु हमारा कितना महान, देखो हमसे करता है प्यार. हालेलू हालेलूया, हालेलू हालेलूया.
As India is a land of different religions and every religion teaches us great things, so it's the time for us to know some great teachings of Bible.
God be gracious to us and bless us and make His face shine on us. Thank you.
Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me.
Clamp 1. Blessed is the man who walked not in the conceit of wicked, nor stands in the way of sinners, nor sits in the seat of scoffers.
Now it's time for us to celebrate and witness the dance performance.
Proceeding towards the end, I extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a great success. With His blessings and grace, we all are able to make the event what it has been. I also want to thank all the parents and students for their enormous support. A special thanks to our respected in charge ma'am, Ms. Mamta Madhok, as she has always been a source of motivation. And last but not the least, I wholeheartedly thank Ms. Shivani for her ideas and support. A Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year to all. Have a nice year ahead.